Welcome to our industrial program hosted here in our plant in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. My name is Maria Tupchiska and I'm the plant manager. Join us in this sequence of webinars and find out how to achieve more sustainable results. If you want to have a first-hand experience, you're more than welcome to visit us in our Smart Factory.
Welcome to our Smart Factory and Innovation Hub tour of Schneider Electric. Today we are in our plant here in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. My name is Georgi Tronchev and I will be your host for today's webinar. Before we begin, we'll start with a few words about what is this webinar for and how it will be structured. Today's webinar itself, it will be separated in three sections. The first one, we will speak in general about the digitization and how you can take the steps to connect your business to today's environment. Second one is related to a specific topic. We will show you how a solution can be implemented in a sustainable manner to correspond to your individual needs. The third section, we will leave something like a 10 minutes of Q&A session where you can directly ask about solution that is interesting for you. Meanwhile, if you have questions during the presentation, feel free to paste them in a chat and we will answer them. As it is normal, when we say something about how we see the things in the future, we should speak about how it's now and how it was before. We will start with a few words about why we do these webinars. We do it because we want to share our knowledge, to help you, our customers and partners, to show that there is a solution out there that is developed using the best hardware and software to achieve sustainable results. Now, let's speak about some of the applications today. Well, many organizations might still be in denial about how digitization could impact their businesses or struggling to find the talent or knowledge to know how to adopt for their unique use cases. Several others are implementing changes today and preparing for a future where smart machines improve their businesses. Here are just a few of the applications that are possible. First, to identify the opportunities. Since connected machines collect tremendous volume of data that can inform maintenance, performance and other issues, as well as analyze that data to identify patterns and insights that would be impossible for a human to do in a reasonable time frame. Digitization offers the opportunity for manufacturers to optimize their operations quickly and efficiently by knowing what needs attention. Optimize logistic and supply chains. A connected supply chain can adjust and accommodate when a new information is presented. If a weather delay ties up a shipment, a connected system can proactively adjust to that reality and modify manufacturing priorities. Autonomous equipment and vehicles. They're quite familiar. There are shipping yards that are leveraging autonomous cranes and trucks to streamline operation as they accept shipping containers from the ship. We have the example here in our factory as well. We use autonomous robots to optimize our logistic operations. If we have to say something about the robots, once only possible for large enterprises with equally large budgets, robotics are now more affordable and available to organizations of every size. From picking products at warehouse to getting them ready to ship, autonomous robots can quickly and safely support manufacturers. Robots move goods around automated warehouse and also reduce costs and allow their use of floor space for online retailer. Additive manufacturing, 3D printing, for example. This technology has improved tremendously in the last decade and has progressed from primarily being used for prototyping to actual production. Advantages in this use of metal additive manufacturing have opened up a lot of possibilities for production. And now, one of the most interesting stuff, the Internet of Things and cloud. Key component of digitization is the Internet of Things. That is characterizes as connected devices. Not only does this help internal operations, but through the use of the cloud environment where that data is stored. Equipment and operations can be optimized by leveraging the insights of the others using the same equipment or to allow smaller enterprises to access technologies that they wouldn't be able to do it on their own. Well, industry is still evolving and we might not have the complete picture until we have looked back in 30 years. Now the companies who are adopting the technologies realize the potential on making their operations smart. The same companies are also grappling with how to upskill their current workforce to take on the new work responsibilities made possible by Internet 4.0 and to recruit new employees with the right skills. All those possibilities are in our EcoStruxure platform, and there is a path which Schneider Electric is sharing with all customers and partners. In 3 simple but very important steps, you can get the most of your assets and from your business. The most important thing today is information, and Schneider is giving you the opportunity to have the full information about your business, about the possibilities that lies in front of you. EcoStruxure leverages the following technologies and trends: mobility, cloud, sensing, analytics, and cybersecurity. To have all that connectivity, of course, we must have smart devices, and they must be easy to install and maintain. Everything must follow certain standards so it can be more understandable. Mobility. Everything must be mobile. That means everything must be accessible on a mobile device like phone or tablet. The best way is to have something web-based so it can be open without any additional application. Another thing is cloud. It's good if everything can be connected to the cloud. You have everything in one place, but usually this is somebody else's computer and we must pay for that service. In that case, Schneider have the solution for preparing the data before sending it to the cloud. The sensing part is one of the reasons the cloud is overloaded. The solution in this case is first the data from sensors to be analyzed and some decision to be made. Not to directly send the data from the sensors, first to go through some analytics. And yes, Schneider have the solution for that as well. The analytics, it's a summary from your input data, graph that is leading to informed decision to give as much as possible information. The calculation of data should be done on the edge layer. Having the data from field devices and analytics in the cloud, we can compare between similar devices from all over the world. This way, forecasting for some events can apply and help the customers for better management of their assets. Speaking about digitization and innovation, it's time to walk you through our EcoStruxure platform. Schneider's EcoStruxure has 3 levels or layers. It's connected products, edge control, and apps, analytics, and services that can be hosted on cloud or on premises. The best connected products are in that range, a clear platform facilitating local and real-time control. A suite of software, analytics, and apps enabling the control and collection of data for analysis. It's IoT-enabled, plug-and-play, and open interoperable architecture which allows us to innovate at every level. These levels are completely integrated from shop floor to the top floor, and we have cloud offers and end-to-end cybersecurity wrapped around. At Schneider Electric, we continue augmenting our capacity to deliver more by augmenting our core values, from reactive to preventive and predictive, from single-site to multi-site control, from closed system to collaborative systems, from data in system to in cloud, and from monitoring to some of expanded capabilities in scheduling, planning, simulating, and managing assets, and of course operation as well. Digitization powered by EcoStruxure is driving end-to-end efficiency for industrial environment. What is agile management? It brings control to the enterprise level. Why we care about process efficiency? Of course, we want to have a better closed-loop measurement and control for greater throughput and faster processing. Asset performance management. Why we need to monitor that? Of course, we want to optimize our assets and to improve the profitability. Why we empower our operators? To allow them to take more effective decisions on a factory floor. Why we're aiming again for reliability, ensuring that the plan, the process and the asset uptime. Energy efficiency, everybody is talking about that. Through our systems, by our system actually, we have the visibility, control and the optimization of the power consumption and costs. Digitization is driving end-to-end efficiency throughout the entire value chain and transforming business models. EcoStruxure is empowering this transformation. And today we'll give you an overview of some of Schneider technologies that are helping this transformation and as well used in our plant. Our innovation hub here in Plovdiv is offering you to experience all the technology that follows in first hand. You are more than welcome to visit us. We are open and we are sharing the knowledge with you. But a bit more about that later in this webinar. If we must split as topics that are applicable each and every time, that is there, and they're repeating: management of process, maintaining of asset and processes, building management. Why do I say building? Because everything must be located somewhere, and this somewhere is the building itself, and optimization of the resources that we are using. Each and every business share common pillars. We have buildings, we have processes, we use electricity and other resources, and we all generate data. Now it's time to make the data work for us, and our company provides the solutions to that. Today's topic will be optimization and monitoring of resources that we use. Or in other words, I will introduce you to our power domain. So let's move to it. That will be the second part of our webinar. The system that I would like to introduce you is called Power Monitoring Expert. First, let's see what is power management. It is a process of monitoring, measuring and controlling loads. It allows a business to gather data, make informed decisions about energy activities. It also improves and manages the availability and reliability of a safe, efficient electrical system. Global trends are creating challenges such as growing energy demands and costs. Utility power quality is not reliable, also power availability can vary. And also we need to reduce our carbon emissions. According to World Bank Enterprise Survey data, business owners today find electricity as the third biggest obstacle to their activities. 72% of worldwide energy is consumed by buildings, industry, infrastructure and data centers. So we need to handle it properly. All businesses run the risk of serious financial and operational impacts if they don't use modern energy management techniques and systems to address the challenges of today's energy environment. When we speak about the system, we should know that there are a lot of small things that are making the difference into the big scale. What does a power management system looks like? It's a combination of hardware, software, data communications and services. Here is example of seamlessly integrated system using an IoT platform. It is an integrated combination of software, hardware and data communications. It monitors and manages the entire electrical distribution network. It provides industry-specific solutions for power monitoring, power quality and cost allocation. It maximizes the reliability and efficiency of the power network. It also optimizes electrical infrastructure using assets more effectively and efficiently. Also enables multiple application, drives better decision making and controls the network in real time. The system is fully scalable. So the next question is, what can a power management system do? It creates business value like cost management, improve energy efficiency, reduce operational costs. It allocates energy costs to drive accountability, prevent unnecessary utility changes, electrical network management, avoid outages, prevent equipment damage. It also optimizes electrical system performance and quickly assess power quality impacts. Also, the asset management, track and analyze equipment conditions, manage electrical capacity to ensure flexibility. It provides also advanced predictive warnings. It focuses on three main values: electrical network management, asset management, and cost management. You can diagnose the root of an issue and avoid equipment outages. Power outages are clear indicators for an issue. Other electrical disturbances can also be analyzed through advanced metering. So it improves the understanding of outage causes, helps predict causes of future disruptions. Around 40% of all unscheduled downtime are related to power quality problems. You can collect information about how much power is used and where it's used. You can establish a baseline to determine how energy efficiency measures will be deployed. In-house metering and historical reporting provide simple baseline projections. Basic monitoring of energy and power factor to understand consumption trends and spot inefficiencies. Quickly assess power quality impact. A minute of a power quality related downtime can raise a year of energy savings. Monitor and analyze power quality against industry standards. Simple pass-fail indicators determine potential impact of harmonics, sags, swells, and other conditions, and you can implement corrective actions. You can optimize electrical system performance by improving system efficiency by balancing the loads. Uncover excess hidden system capacity, study a real-time data and historical trends. Discover sources of power losses or poor power factor. Monitor equipment parameters, leverage vendors' expertise to ensure optimal operation of equipment. Support preventive and conditional-based maintenance activities. Get also advanced warnings wherever you are. Be alert quickly to failures or potential failure conditions. You have customized notifications sent to multiple stakeholders through mobile devices or alarms on PC or through SMS. Analyze alarms for rich information on power system events like harmonic, sags, swells, or other conditions that impact on sensitive production equipment and processes. You can also track and analyze equipment conditions, measure and log the electrical and physical characteristics of every electrical component. You can also reveal anomalies and quickly diagnose problems. You can analyze the aging wear and potential performance of a circuit breakers, UPSs, generators, harmonic filters, capacitor banks, and more. Cost management allows you to verify utility bills. You can validate utility bills for mistakes for a quick return on investment. Validate power quality delivered, correlate to operational issues related to dirty power, store digital shadow bills, provide evidence in billing disputes. Common errors include invoice billing period overlaps with a previous bill, balance brought forward applied to wrong account, error in calculations, supplier contract period overlap, wrong rate applied on a bill, account credits not adjusted to a new invoice, incorrect meter reading, duplicate line item charges. The system provides account for costs related to energy use. It creates accountability for energy use by allocating energy costs, driving new energy efficiency behavior. It connects between occupants and processes that use energy and accounting departments who pay for that energy. Energy submetering and power management software supports cost allocation to help internal departments understand the cost associated with their usage. The software also improves energy efficiency to reduce operational costs. Visualize and track energy generation, distribution, and consumption. It can identify the contributing loads of peak demand charges, identify the largest consumers of energy and their usage patterns, identify poorly performing buildings or loads using energy KPIs, analyze the impact of energy conservation measures, set energy targets for buildings, departments, or processes. Now let's take a look to Schneider Electric's best-in-class power management softwares, which are Power Monitoring Expert for analysis and reporting, and Power SCADA Operations for real-time situational awareness. Power Monitoring Expert, or PME, helps the facilities team in power critical facilities to analyze, troubleshoot, and make informed decisions about their electrical distribution system. PME is designed to complement the functionality of a building management system or process SCADA, and it natively integrates with the Schneider Electric's building operation and Wonderware system platform. The software includes power events analysis, power quality monitoring, and energy performance analysis. Power SCADA Expert helps the facilities team in power critical facilities monitor, control, and troubleshoot issues with their electrical distribution systems. Unlike a generic process, SCADA is designed especially for managing and interacting with the electrical distribution systems and the specialized connected devices used in that environment. The software provides power event analysis, power monitoring, and power control. Let's not forget PowerLogic PM8000 for power quality and billing, or for metering so-called wages. The PowerLogic PM8000 helps the facilities team in power critical facilities to monitor the electrical distribution system for power quality issues and support energy accounting activities. Unlike competitive power quality meters, PM8000 can simultaneously support power quality and revenue billing applications and be programmed to meet unique customer application needs. This device also provides power events analysis, power quality monitoring, and utility bill verification. The next product is AccuSign for correcting power quality issues. AccuSign enables the facility team in power critical facilities to correct power quality issues that lead to downtime, causing equipment damage or malfunctions, and reduce the efficiency and safety of electrical distribution system. Unlike competitive alternatives, the AccuSign has a greater thermal operating range, better power quality factor control, faster injection response, superior harmonics cancellation, more parallel options, and is easier to service. Up till now we have spoken about the possibilities, but once installed everybody is asking, what about the maintenance? And yes, we have a smart solution for that as well. Another Schneider solution that we use is Resource Advisor. Even in today's connected world, companies may still struggle to effectively communicate across countries, time zones, facilities, and sometimes even across hallways. Resource Advisor's communication tools are a solution to that problem. Resource Advisor also lets you foster communication and enhance collaboration between top executives, operations professionals, sustainability leaders, energy managers, and facility personnel from the top floor to the shop floor. Whether sharing commodity forecast, energy cost and usage summaries, or carbon or water or waste reduction goals, Resource Advisor enables communication with key internal and external stakeholders in several ways. Analytics let you assess the effectiveness of your surveys, scorecards and questionnaires in real time. Extensive features to share and distribute reports and dashboards from one user to another. User-configured dashboard tailored to preferences. Custom widgets allow users to create unique content to drive engagement. Additionally, you can save output to view or edit later, schedule email distributions at whatever interval you specify, and download or export to other formats such as PDF or Excel. Measuring and analyzing resource consumption can help you reduce risk, avoid costs, improve efficiency, and operate more sustainably. Proactive companies are able to move from how do we work to collect data to exploring How can our data work for us? Resource data is available from across your enterprise, including electricity, water, gas, steam, waste, and more. Leverage this data by making it active and providing the context needed for decision making. To do this effectively, you need a data catalyst, and that catalyst is EcoStruxure Resource Advisor. Thank you for being part of our digital journey. If you want to get the most of your assets and make your processes sustainable, join us on our next sessions. Now it's time for questions and answers, so feel free to type them in the chat or unmute yourself. I'll be here in next 10 minutes to answer them.